Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready. Unlock your iPhone 11 and go straight to Settings. No detours. Tap Control Center to begin customizing. This is where you add or remove controls. Make sure access within apps is enabled if you want the swipes to work in apps. Once there, scroll to Customize Controls and prepare to add the buttons you use most. This first step creates the workspace you'll refine next, so confirm you're on the Customize Controls screen before moving on. Now focus on changing the list. Under Customize Controls, tap the green plus to add a control or the red to remove one. These actions immediately update your control center. You can rearrange order by dragging the three-line handle up or down. Place your most used items near the top for fastest access. Remember, adding too many controls can crowd the view, so pick essentials like flashlight, camera, and screen recording. Once arranged, swipe to test the changes. Finish by swiping down from the top right corner to open the control center and verify your new layout. Tap each control to ensure it works. If something behaves oddly, make sure the corresponding feature isn't restricted in screen time or disabled in settings. If a control still won't appear, restart your iPhone 11. A quick reboot often fixes temporary UI glitches. If problems persist after restarting, revisit Customize Controls and re-add the missing item.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.